Pasok
Yan.
kayo. Medyo luma na rin.
So, ito po ang office ni Sir Aris. Ayan. Upo ka, Lance. Sige. Tanungin lang natin si Sir Aris. Ako na magbi-video. Ayan, Sir Lance, ito ka. So, ayan. Meron po kasi kaming group project sa Tesla 2 sa automotive servicing. So, ang topic namin is ano ba yung topic natin, Lance? Demonstrating work values. Yan, ano ba yung paano ba natin na-demonstrate yung work values sa ating workplace? Yan. Sir Aris, bigyan mo nga kami ng example niyan.
Siguro ano na lang, maybe background of our company.
Yeah.
Tapos how we were able to stay in this industry for so long. Actually, yung company na namin, like what I said kanina, around 30 employees, majority are more than 5 years. Actually, yung right hand ko is almost 30 years na rin sa akin.
30 years na rin siya, no?
Si Roel, but he's
Roel.
not here right now. Siya yung sa officer. The way we carry out our business, we purchase the property.
Oh. So, ito property nyo na to, no?
Property. Kasi di ba pag mag-start ka ng business, you'll find a place, then you will rent it. Kasi kami naman, ang thinking kasi namin, rather than pay the rent every month, naglo-loan kami sa bank.
Mm-hmm.
So yung amortization namin, it serves as the rent na.
Okay.
So after how many years, at least you own the property.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how we handle our business. So yung 3 branches namin, pati yung 4th na parating, that's how we carried it out.
Okay.
So basically, the operation pays for the amortization.
Oh, alright.
So, within 5 to 10 years, you own the lot, you own the property na. So we don't have, actually we pay rent pero on our different company.
Yeah, that's good.
Pero just to see if it's earned. So, yun. So, as to the work values kasi.
Yeah, work values, sige. And
like,
goals ng company.
Yun. Ang goal kasi talaga ng parents ko, to be honest, when I took over na around 2010, I was telling my parents I want to close the company, the shop. Kasi, sabi ko nga, we own the property. So, if we have it rented, we have money.
Yeah.
Na we don't, kumbaga guaranteed ka na. You just
Guaranteed
have to,
income.
Guaranteed income. You just have to look for renter. But since the employees here have been with us for so long, sabi ng parents ko na sayang naman. If we could maintain to run it even if it's not earning just enough to pay the rent or the amortization, let's continue it. At the same time, ito na rin yung nagpaaral sa amin. So, legacy na rin ng
Yeah,
parents.
it is a family-owned company talaga, no?
Company.
Yeah, so lahat kayo nag-work dito.
Yeah, halos kami lahat. Although ngayon the company, it's running, technically it's running on its own already.
Mm-hmm.
Since the process is already there, the clients are already there. Ang ini-instill na lang kasi namin sa employees namin, kasama namin is that parang sila na rin yung may-ari ng company.
Okay, parang sila na yung nag-handle, no?
As the company grows, they grow with us. Kaya sila matagal na sa amin. So, and we see to it na yung lifestyle nila, yung ano nila, nag-i-improve rin.
Yeah.
So, kaya tumatagal yung employees sa amin. At the same time, dedicated rin siya sa work.
Yeah.
When we hire here, ang pinaka-primary namin is malasakit.
Malasakit, no? So
So,
parang yun yung work values ninyo,
Work
no?
values namin. Malasakit sa company, malasakit sa kliyente, malasakit sa kasama.
Yeah.
So, yun yung important.
Yeah.
Na kung whatever sa kasi like dito, like what happened in my shop, ito lang, last Saturday, di ba? Nabaha yung shop ko.
Okay.
It was a Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
So when I asked my staff na kailangan ko kayo dito ngayong Sunday to clean up,
Yeah.
to fix whatever na damage ng bahay, nandun yung mga employees.
Mm-hmm.
Voluntarily, they went there. Tapos ako naman, on my part naman, I have to see to it na compensated rin sila sa efforts nila.
Yeah. So nakikita natin na very ano yung relationship mo with the worker and as a boss, di ba? As a boss and as a meron kang mga employee, talagang yung parang ang trato mo sa kanila is parang pamilya na rin, di ba?
Parang actually it's like a double-edged sword na parang you have to balance na super close ka sa kanila but at the same time you have to maintain pa rin yung professionalism.
Yeah, totoo.
Pero with them, sabi ko it's like a family. Even yung problem ng wife ng workers ko, alam ko. Problem with the kids, alam ko.
Yeah.
So, it helps rin. It helps rin na they know that you care for them.
Oh, nakakatuwa no na pati pala sa kahit personal life ng mga employees niya, na-resolve niya yung mga problems doon. So, doon pala nakikita mo na very family-oriented ang kanilang company.
But you should understand rin, like, yung mga employees ko inside, syempre, mga naka-aral yun, nakapag-aral sila. But yung mga workers outside, not everyone was able to study high school, college.
Mm-mm.
So, I have to guide them how they would carry on their life. Kasi marami kasing mga pag kumita na malaki, like yung mga contractors ko, if they earn big, gastos, bili ng ganyan,
Yeah.
ng ganyan. So, I have to guide them na kung paano nila handle yung money nila for them to grow.
Yeah.
Tapos, yun. Siguro, isang rin na sa dito sa amin, lahat ng regular employees namin and contractors, we have a
Cooperative for the
employees,
workers,
yan, for the workers. Kasi we noticed before, pag nagigipit yung employees, nangungutang sila sa 5-6.
Sa
Kasi
5-6
dating 5-6 here. So, sabi namin, rather than borrowing money sa 5-6, which nababaon sila sa interest, let's set up an cooperative. So,
Yeah.
cooperative is voluntary. Every payday they contribute there. Tapos, at the end of the year, the employees decide kung what they will do with the earnings.
Okay.
If they will get it as cash, if they will use it to buy groceries and divide it among themselves. Basically, what we do, we just handle the cash to make sure na it's intact. But all the decisions as to how it will be released, how it will be spent, employees nang nag-agree.
Mm-mm.
So, it's a big help. In case of emergency, they could loan there.
Yeah.
Tapos, in case naman na they have to leave us, they will retire, they will resign, may ipon sila.
May ipon. Oo.
So, ganun. Kasi if you resign, di ba, the usual naka-hold for 30 days for clearance. So, during that time, we will release the cooperative fund.
Yeah.
They could use it during that time.
Yeah. This is
So,
one good example on how you resolve problems in the workplace, di ba?
Financial problem.
Yeah, number one cause kasi yan minsan ng di ba, yung
Tapos,
problema sa pera.
Tapos at the same time, nakokontrol kasi uso sa mga, lalo na sa mga contractors or mga workers outside, yung advance.
Yeah.
So they always advance or pa-advance, pa-utang. Now if they see na yung inuutangan nila, pondo rin nila, na naaalagaan, nakokontrol, na ma-manage. Nakikita rin namin na, usually kasi the attitude of workers, if sobrang laki na ng utang, yun yung napansin namin na tatama rin na silang mag-work. Kasi at the end of pagdating ng payroll, wala na silang matatanggap dahil puro utang na.
Puro utang.
So we also manage that for them.
That's dealing with workplace
Workplace
solutions.
solutions.
Yes. This is how you solve any
So,
workplace related
So yun yung, that's basically, yun yung pinaka
that's what your company do. Yeah, that's your goal, no? Yung purpose nyo.
So the people, the workers feel na it's their own company.
So as we end, as our last question, how do you maintain the integrity of your company to your customers and to your employees?
Like what I said a while ago, malasakit talaga. Kasi they understand that if you it's normal sa shop, maraming who will try to take advantage, hoop it, jack up ng prices, and I already instilled to them na trust yung main core rin namin with clients, na if mawala yung trust ng clients, mawawalan ka ng kliyente. Mas madali mag-market through word of mouth of others.
Yeah.
So they understand that na they won't sacrifice, kunyari may iPhone na iwan sa car, ang niyan is protocol is they get it, they surrender it do sa reception sa office,
Yeah.
will notify the client. So, yung mga employees outside, they know that yung mga ganong bagay, hindi nila pinapatulan kasi later on, they understand na if masira yung tiwala sa amin ng client, mawawalan kami ng kliyente, magsasara yung kumpanya, mawawalan sila ng trabaho.
Yeah. It's very important na makita yung company as a whole
As a
na talagang honest and may integrity.
Oo.
Di ba? Ayan. Thank you, Sir Aris, for your time. Baka may gusto kang sabihin sa mga tawag dito, sa mga future mechanics or any gustong ganitong business. Paano ba nila i-handle nito? Paano ba nila